Hello students. Welcome to my class to learn with me how to operate an insulated bucket truck. Let's watch a video. A trainee boards a pole with a footlocker, and another trainee operates an insulated bucket truck. Compete the speed of arriving at the same working position. Who will win?
Start. Stop.
In the end, we found that operating the insulated bucket truck is slightly faster. In addition, using the insulated bucket truck, it's also less laborious and safer than the footlocker. So how do you operate an insulated bucket truck? Next, we will take you to learn how to use the insulated bucket truck. Through the study of this course, can help 10 kV distribution network, non-stop power certification personnel to master how to operate the insulated bucket arm truck. Be able to operate the insulated bucket arm truck safely and quickly reach the designated working position. This pictures the upper panel. Let's take a look at the upper panel. How to operate the main function keys. First of all, look at the lower right corner. The function of the main operating handle is shown in the lower right corner. The main function button determines the direction of movement of the working arm. The arrow points to the clutch button. During the movement of the working arm, always hold down the clutch button. Holding down the clutch and flicking upward at the same time. The working arm rises. Press and hold the clutch and push the button down. The working arm goes down. Press and hold the clutch and push down at the same time. The working arm goes down. Press and hold the clutch to the left at the same time. The working arm extends. Pressing the clutch to the right at the same time. Toggle the clutch to the right to retract the arm. Pressing the clutch at the same time. Rotate to the right, turn the working arm to the right. Press and hold the clutch at the same time. Rotate left to turn the arm left. Next, function of the adjacent function key on the left side of the main operating handle. This function key is responsible for the insulated bucket and the direction of rotation of the arm. When this function key is pushed up, is to rotate the bucket to the right. Toggle down rotates the bucket to the left. Toggle left rotates the arm to the left. Toggle right to rotate the arm to the right. After operating the bucket in the working position, it is necessary to fine-tune the height. This time we need to use the extension and lowering buttons of the insulated bucket. Toggle up. The bucket is lowered. Toggle down. Bucket up. Retract the bucket at the end of the work. At this time, it is difficult to use the function keys and combination. We can use the auto retract button. That is, hold down the clutch and at the same time upward. Toggle the auto retract button. The insulated bucket can be automatically retracted from working position to the original position. It's quick and easy. This is the upper panel. This is how to operate the main function keys. The next video shows how the function of the main function keys. We can see how to use the main function keys on the upper panel. We know clearly the main control direction handle, the unarmed bucket handle, the bucket button, and the auto recovery button. The function of the auto recovery button. The next step is to explain the operation techniques of the insulated bucket on truck. Look at the scene. Linear pole no. 2 on the trailing line, i.e. defective insulator on the side face. How to operate the bucket truck. Arrive at the working position. Let's take a look. This trainee operates the bucket arm truck to reach the position of the video. Let's see what his problem is. The main reason for the long time is newcomers are blind in maneuvering the truck, failure to design a good maneuvering path, failure to coordinate the use of the function keys. Tips for maneuvering the car. First of all, you should design a good maneuvering path. According to the path, first rough adjustment, then micro-contribution among. At the same time, you should also pay attention to the speed of the insulated bucket. Do not exceed 0.5 ms. Control the bucket on safe distance from the line and equipment. At sea, skilled operators operate the bucket on vehicle. Animation of arriving at the position. Compare the two videos. It's obvious. Utilizing the speed of the maneuvering technique. It's faster to utilize the technique than it is to operate blindly. Let's summarize what we've learned in this lesson. We know that the upper panel, how to use the main function keys. The function keys are labeled as shown. We also learned how to operate an insulated bucket on truck. Design the path to operate the truck. Follow the path. First rough adjustments, then fine-tuning it. Streamline to set the path. Course first, then fine-tune. Control the speed and distance. This is the end of the course. Thank you, everyone.